You're not carrying stress. You're carrying a grudge. There's a difference. I'm not going to tell you to forgive because it's nice. I'm going to tell you it's the most selfish, productive thing you could do. Resentment is rent you pay on a room you don't even live in anymore. It costs focus. It costs sleep. It costs the energy you swear you don't have. I started using a simple evening prompt with my AI. Not therapy, just a question. What am I still holding from today? And is it worth the room it's taking? Saying it out loud shrinks it. Most of it isn't worth one more night. Forgiveness isn't weakness. It's you taking your house back.